Welcome to Random Thoughts 2. We're going to check out Boxcar Rocks. Pretty quiet day so far. Not too many hikers. We're going to sit up here, take a lunch break for about an hour or so, and head back down the road. If you've never been here, you should check it out. It's beautiful up here. All the pine trees along this trail. It smells like a giant air freshener. There she is, the whalehead. Do spray paint on those rocks. I'm really glad to see they cleaned all those rocks off with all that spray paint. So beautiful up there. Let's go up and see if we can get up to the top where the overlook is. We'll be right back. It's quite a climb up there. Let's take a walk over here to the other side. Nice cool breeze up here. Here's a better look at the rock formations. Kind of looks like a big slab. So relaxing up here. Yeah, you can see down in that crevasse, lots of pebbles. These rocks. Here's one that fell out. It almost looks like barnacles, but it's not. They're lichens growing in the rocks. You can see that. Lichens are 2 or 3 organisms that live together. They say this is what reindeer eat. There are different kinds of lichens. That's about as far as I'm going to go. So much better up here. Turning out to be a very warm day today. My day started at 3:30. Takes me about 2.5 hours to get up here. This is a stop to take a break. On the way back from the other video, outdoors in Pennsylvania too. Hopefully you're watching both of my channels. So today, I'm gonna take a break here. Did some fossil hunting this morning. During the other video, I found some fern impressions in some coal. Lots of interesting things back here as far as geology. A lot of different types of stone in this valley, even over at Swatara. This rock ridge goes almost all the way up to the Stony Valley Rail Trail, up the other side. And the other end of it goes all the way down to the interstate. Swatara is on the right side. I was there last week, digging in the fossil pit for a few fossils over there. A lot of the fossils over there are in the red stone. Over here, the fossils are in the coal. All this is sedimentary rock or a conglomerate. It's very jagged. If you would fall on this, it would cut you up pretty bad. It's not too sharp here. But on the outside, if you walk across, do you ever look over here on the other side? The stone on that side is very sharp because the pebbles keep falling out of it. Every time it falls out, it makes a jagged edge. Let me know down in the comment section If you've ever been up to Boxcar Rocks or the Chinese Wall, some people call it the Chinese Wall, but it's very peaceful here. We're gonna take a break here for a little while, cool off. It's very cool in the rocks. Listen to the birds. Turn the GoPro around. You can let me know what kind of bird that is in the background singing. I believe there's actually a couple different kinds down there. Give this video a like, it helps other people see it. Hit that subscribe button to help my channel grow. Thanks for coming along with us on this short video. Thanks for coming along today. We'll see you on the next video.